How to fix matchmaking error 2 in Fortnite. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, go to this link right here, status.epicgames.com. On this page, you can see if Fortnite is having troubles with their servers, which will indicate if the problem is on your end or on their end. Scroll down to Epic Online Services, and here you can either see green, yellow, or red. Everything is operational now, so everything works. So if you do see red or yellow everywhere, that means that the problem is on their end and there's unfortunately nothing you can do to fix it, except waiting for them to fix it. However, if the problem is not on their end, there are a couple of things that you could do. First one is to disconnect and reconnect your profile through the connections page. Now here, let's type in epicgames.com/account/connections. So here you can log out and then log back in. The other one is to restart your router, which you do physically. The third one is to switch to a public DNS. So let's do that right now. Go to the control panel. Go to the network and internet. Network and sharing center. For me it says Ethernet here, for you it may say Wi-Fi. Click on that. Go to properties. Double click on the IPv4. Click use following DNS server addresses. Click 8888 and the other one 844. And click OK. And then click X and head out of this. And then restart your Fortnite game. That's how to fix matchmaking error 2 in Fortnite. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.